Bro, I am not here to lecture you. Today I am here just to talk to you like a friend. If you are in your 20s, this one's for you. I understand how it would be feeling confused, overwhelmed, scrolling over reels and seeing people win in life and their success stories, which makes you feel bad. But you need to really understand that what 20s are for. कुछ लोग कहते हैं 20s is to chill. अभी तो chill कर यार, उम्र ही क्या है, कर लेंगे. But you know 20s is your foundation year. जो आप 20s में क्रिएट करोगे वो आपको 30s में पेबैक होगा. सिर्फ चॉइस हमारी है कि हमें क्रिएट करना है या नहीं. If you are in your 20s, fail now, fall on your face. 10 चीजें करो, 9 छोड़ दो. एक मिल जाएगी which will keep you moving. और वो एक ही चाहिए. कर करके we will progress in that. You know, गलती क्या करते हैं that we are always running after perfection. No, run after the progress. Perfection तो अपने आप आ जाएगी. Because motion beats overthinking every single time. Let's talk health. I know bro, it's not trending on your feed. Health is never a topic. But understand, अगर body साथ नहीं देगी ना, so everything will be screwed. How about that 3 AM Maggie? या वो शाम को ऑफिस के बाद वाले मोमोज. दोस्त, ट्रस्ट मी, दे आर यम. आई ऑल्सो लव देम. बट दिस विल नॉट रियली हेल्प अस. दैट विदाउट स्लीपिंग, बीइंग स्लीप डिप्राइव्ड, बीइंग ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स, ऑन योर फोन टिल 2 AM in the morning and then going to office, what kind of energy are you taking? What will you create for yourself or for your company? एक बार सोच के देखो. Your body will also give up. So health is something that you can focus on most in your 20s because you are young, you are energetic. ताकत ही अलग है. जो अभी कर सकते हैं वो 35, 40, 45 में नहीं क्रिएट होता. I am not asking you to create 6-pack abs. Just do something for half an hour, 45 minutes, a 20-minute walk, 20 push-ups. No gym, no problem. Squat मार लो, push-up मार लो, कुछ एक्टिविटी कर लो, कुछ नहीं करना, वॉक कर लो, डू समथिंग. बिकॉज द मोर फिजिकली यू विल बी इन्वॉल्व्ड, यू विल इवॉल्व इन योर लाइफ. मैंने पैसे पे और इन्वेस्टमेंट पे तो बहुत वीडियो बनाए हैं, बट अगेन उस हर वीडियो में यही बोला है दैट इफ यू आर इन योर 20s, दैट्स योर गोल्डन पीरियड. तो जल्दी स्टार्ट करने के जो फायदे हैं, इफ यू स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टिंग इन योर 20s, यू विल बी सेल्फ सफिशिएंट बाय योर 40s. तो हमने वो गलतियां की थी जो हमने टाइम से स्टार्ट नहीं किया. आई वुड लव यू दैट इफ यू आर इन योर 20s, स्टार्ट एज स्मॉल एज 500 रुपीज अ मंथ. स्टार्ट कर दोस्त, डू समथिंग. स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टिंग इन SIP, म्यूचुअल फंड, डिजिटल गोल्ड. कहीं डालना शुरू करो. सम परसेंटेज ऑफ सैलरी एवरी मंथ हैज टू गो समवेयर. योर 20s ऑल्सो गिव यू फ्रीडम टू चेंज प्लेसेस. यू नो, ऐसा कभी फील हुआ है दैट यू आर ऑलवेज स्टक? You've got a monotonous routine, you're bored of doing the same shit every day, then it's time to change the place. बहुत बार जगह बदलने से environment बदलता है, लोग बदलते हैं, दोस्त बदलते हैं, colleagues बदलते हैं, सब कुछ बदलता है. It gives you new energy, it gives you new vibe. Sometimes you want to still stick back because where you are at a happy zone. So choose. If you are enjoying what you're doing, keep doing it. But if you feel कि stuck feel हो रहा है, change the place. Trust me, sometimes city teaches you more than what colleges do. शहर सिखाता है बहुत कुछ जो बहुत बार स्कूल कॉलेज भी नहीं सिखा पाते. Mental health. When I was in my 20s, किसी ने हमसे mental health की बात ही नहीं करी. But today, you guys are way smarter than what we were. So if there is something that's bothering you, anxiety है, overthinking हो रही है, therapy लेना is absolutely not wrong. It's your wisdom. You are wise enough to take that decision. Therapy लेने वाले लोग समझदार होते हैं, ना कि ना लेने वाले. So if you ever feel this way, don't shy off from helping, talking, getting it treated, or talk to someone very close or someone who you think can always be there to help you. You will feel better because health है, body है, muscles है, सब कुछ है. Mental health नहीं है, peace of mind नहीं है तो क्या है? Choose people wisely. You need peace, not drama. You know, we don't really need 50 friends. लोग ये गलती करते हैं in their 20s that they have a big circle, big social circle. I would say choose people wisely. Start choosing people who would be there for you, stand for you, and even clap for you when you're not around. वो हैं असली लोग जो आपको चाहिए to make you build something that you want or grow in life. This is the decade to go wild. Start your side hustle. कुछ नया करो. क्या होगा? गलती करोगे, गिरोगे, फिर खड़े हो जाओगे. You feel it's too cringe? Let it be. How does it matter? You are in your 20s. गलती करके ही तो सीखोगे. इस टाइम पे तो even our adults are ready to forgive us. So create something because जब तक कोई कुछ करेगा नहीं तो जीतेगा कैसे. और मैं बहुत स्ट्रांगली एक चीज बोलता हूँ, जिंदगी में हम या सीखते हैं या जीतते हैं, हम कभी हारते नहीं. If this even hits you a little bit, then comment that one thing that you would start from today. And if you feel that this guy gets me, he understands what I'm going through, then I would request you to please join the tribe. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share it with people who will love the content. I am building more than a channel here. I am trying to create a moment for dreamers and doers. I want people in 20s to achieve so much in this decade that in 30s, we all can fly together. Let's go and win this decade together. Until then, it's your friend Sumit Khubchandani.